today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay, thank you, sit please. Who is on today?
I'm on today.
What date is it today?
It's 12. Today is 12th of February.
12th of February, yeah? What day of the week?
Wednesday.
What's the weather like today? Weather, what's the weather like?
Cloudy.
Yes, it's cloudy. Who is absent?
All present.
Thank you. English language is the best. Teaching it's for me the best. But the language is nice. Learn it. That is my advice. Please.
It's a normal holiday. Let's share the celebrate. We will have sing and play. English teacher, English day. We will join and speak all day. A, B, C, and Z, go and quickly find your pen.
Thank you. Super. Next, teachers, colleagues, I congratulate you on the day of language. I wish you good health, long life, and success in your job. Welcome to our English lesson. Now, then, I will divide you two groups by the music. Lesson is Squid Game. Игра кальмара. Now listen please at first. Come on, come here. Stop. Sorry. First one, please. Come. Guys. So, group.
When the sun is shining bright, the skies around it's so bright. Arms up high, spin with glee. A sunny day for you and me. Let our weather dance along. Sing and move to the weather song. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Let's learn what
Stop, couple.
the weather
Continue, please go.
when the rain begins to fall. Splashing puddles half a ball. Grab your boots and raincoat too. Dancing in
Great, Bob.
the rain with you. Do the weather song. Sunny, rainy, windy too. Let's learn what weather can do. When the wind begins to blow.
5.
Let's fly high and watch it go. Wave your arms and spin around. Windy days are fun we found. When the snow starts to fall, let's build a snowman big and tall. Slide and skate, the winter's here. Snowy days bring so much cheer. Weather
6. Now sit, please. To me, please. When the weather is hot, we wear this thing. In this season, the days are long, nights are short. What season is it? What season is it? No?
It's winter.
What winter?
Summer.
Summer, yes. Then, next, when the weather is cold and snowy, we wear this thing. This season of the year, the days are short, nights are long. What season is it? No, raise your hands.
It's winter.
It's winter, thank you. Right side, we are group winter. Left side, we are summer. Now, thank you, children. will help me to find my our lesson theme. Is weather conditions. You make the sentences, please. Vocabulary, please. Listen and repeat after me, please. Sun,
Sun,
hot,
hot,
cloudy,
cloudy,
warm,
warm,
cold,
cold,
snow,
snow,
foggy,
foggy,
stormy,
stormy,
rain,
rain,
windy.
windy.
Now, thank you. Write these new words in your dictionary, please. Open your dictionary, write down, please. Are you ready? Now continue, please. Then make sentences with the new words. Are you finishing? Yes. Make sentences with the new words. The first sentence, sun.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining. Thank you. Very nice. Hot.
It's hot in summer.
It's hot in summer. Cloudy.
Yesterday it was cloudy.
Yesterday it was cloudy. Yes. Next. Warm.
In winter you should dress warm.
Yes. Cold.
Cold, don't drink cold water.
Thank you. Snow.
It's snowing.
It's snowing. Yes. Thank you. Foggy.
It was foggy yesterday.
Stormy.
The storm is very dangerous.
The storm is very dangerous. Thank you. Rain.
Spring is rainy season.
Thank you. Windy.
Sadakent is windy place.
Sadakent is a windy place. Next, icy.
Antarctica is icy.
Yes, thank you. Then online video games. Read and match. First. Match the item on the right and to left. Come on, please. Сезін. Руслан, Жанерке. Асық қой, қателесіп. No. Руслан қой. Ага, шынағы. It's warm. Warm. Where is warm? No. Windy. Is it windy? It's not windy, it's snowy. Snowy. Foggy. Where is foggy? Yes.
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Come, beavers, come. Beavers. Water. And you.
It's sunny. It's foggy. It's snowy.
Snowy.
It's warm.
Warm. Because memory game. Says it's what's the weather like? Wind. Yes. I will give you posters to you find these words, please. Other say yes. The
Cloudy.
cloudy. Where is cloudy? Mhm.
Fine. Sunny.
Sunny, yes.
Rainy.
Rainy.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's snowy.
Mhm.
It's cold. It's cloudy. It's windy.
What is it windy? How it translate?
Windy.
Mhm.
Jelly.
Cold.
Cold.
Sunny.
Күнді.
Mhm. Rainy.
Жаңбыр.
Cloudy.
Бұлты.
Snowy.
Қарлы.
Foggy.
Тұман.
Thank you. Open your books. Students' books, page 72. Exercise 4.
Exercises 4 and 5.
Listening task.
Today I'm talking to explorer Ken Ford. He's going on an expedition to the Antarctic next month. What are you going to do there, Ken?
I'm going to walk to the South Pole.
Walk to the South Pole? Why?
Well, I'm an explorer and a scientist. I'm going to study the ice in the Antarctic.
And there's a lot of ice there.
Yes, 98% of the Antarctic is snow and ice.
Wow! Why are you going in November?
Because it's summer there. There are only 2 seasons in Antarctica, summer and winter.
Really?
Yes, in winter there isn't any sun there. It's night for 6 months.
Will you see any polar bears?
No, I won't. Polar bears live in the Arctic.
Oh.
But I think I'll see penguins. They live in the Antarctic.
Oh, yeah. What equipment are you going to take?
Lots. But 3 things are very important. My waterproof clothes, so I'll be warm.
What will temperatures be there?
I think it'll be very cold. It's very windy and
Choose the correct answer. Which A, B, C? No? Read full sentence, please.
Ken Ford is going to study ice in the Antarctic
In the
summer.
summer. Yes, thank you. Next, exercise 5. Listen again and write true or false. Exercise
15. Unit 6.
5. First, Ken is going to walk to the South Pole. It's true or false? Citizen? Yes, it's true. Then, second, read please, Beavers, sorry. Now, read sentence please.
He won't see polar bears.
It's true. Thank you. Aybota, Sud,
He
he
will see
penguins.
penguins. True.
It's true. Next, Ruslan.
It won't be very cold in November. False.
It won't be very cold. Yes, it's false. Then, you please. You.
It will be
It will be.
very windy. Very false.
It's false. 6. Amira.
He's going to take his mobile phone. It's false.
It's false. Thank you. Sama. You write this weather. Winter. Oh, sorry. Sama. Read louder.
I'm go.
What?
I'm go fishing.
I'm good fishing. Thank you. Next. Beavers.
With my The weather is cold in winter. The days are long, short. Winter is special for me because it is my mother's birthday.
And read the sentence.